How to delete dialed number in iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your iPhone. Once you are here, you will see a panel at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Recents tab. This will display a complete log of your incoming, outgoing, and missed calls. To delete a single call entry, simply swipe left on the call you wish to remove and tap on the trash can icon. To delete multiple entries, tap on the Edit button in the top left corner. From the menu that appears, tap on Select. Now, you can choose individual calls by tapping the circles next to them. Once selected, tap the Delete button in the bottom right. To clear your entire call log, tap on Edit again and then tap on Select. After that, select the Clear All option at the top right corner as shown. Following these steps, you can easily delete dialed numbers on an iPhone.